Basically, what I would say is if you're with someone and it doesn't work out with the person and you have to go your separate ways, that person shouldn't automatically be a bad person, because one time you guys
all
were
of a
good
sudden,
together.
yeah.
So you shouldn't come out and say this person is this, but you start bringing up the bad side of the person. That's just my own. If you're leaving, you're leaving. The other, he might find someone else who would be good for them, or she might find someone else. So that's
people do that a lot, and I don't know why.
Yes,
I don't know why, and I think I don't know. People say it's women do it more than men.
Probably, maybe it's a way to heal.
Once it doesn't work out, the woman starts looking for how to bring down the man.
I don't think it's both ways.
Heal, but that's a crazy way to heal.
But a lot of people feel like it's the way to find comfort and find
on social media,
and just feel like, okay,
like these in-laws that would make the matters worse.
Social media in-laws.
No, they will make it worse. I don't know if I didn't check if it's true, but I think Basketmouth is separated from his wife.
Yep.
Marriages
And he did it in the most. I feel like he did it in the most cool way. They didn't have any issue about it. He posted it once, and he said, I think his caption was, "I would say this once, and once and for all." Like, we didn't hear any noise about it. It could be that simple. You guys came together and get married, and we didn't hear noise. Why are you not shouting now? Then, for instance, look at Nedu's marriage. I feel like his own service on
Nedu na my guy. I don't want to drag him.
But you said we're not taking sides. So
Nedu na my guy.
Nedu na my guy. Everybody, no sides.
No story.
Yeah, it seems like the 3 of our kids are Nazis and they were married all through time.
Oh.
So he went and did
DNA test
and found out that the whole 3 are not his.
And she had the guts and the effrontery to say that he assumed that they were his children. He didn't ask. I want to say something on the issue of Israel and his wife feeling like, he's too loyal to Davido. I can't remember this guy's name, but the guy from the only thing on my head right now is Lucky Lolo. The Johnson?
Lucky Lolo.
The Johnson.
Okay.
Spiff from the Johnson.
Okay.
When he was about to get married, they were talking about and then he was going to leave the Johnson show. They blamed it on the wife. That maybe the wife was one advising him to leave and stop acting that is a funny role because he was getting married.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I don't know exactly why he left. But I just felt like it was wrong for them to think he was the wife.
He said he was tired of playing a particular role, and he was looking forward to being in other
things.
Than just because it's like you're being stereotyped to just a particular. Everybody knows you, and that's one thing with Nigerian movies. I don't know. It's like when you're acting a wicked mother. For every production, you will always be a wicked.
Like
you can say the name.
It's
not like that in Nollywood. In Hollywood,
Sylvester Stallone. What do you know him for? Arnold Schwarzenegger, what do you know him for?
Action movies.
Thank you. So what are you saying? What else is stereotype?
Movies have different plots, right?
That's it. Now the same thing. Action is action. They just change one or two things.
Yes, actually.
The Rock.
Yes.
What do you know him for? Action, because he's built. What are we saying?
Angelina Jolie is action for ladies.
Angelina Jolie, what are we saying?
With different
they change plots for Nigeria.
When you see Angelina Jolie, you know it's an action movie. When you see Arnold Schwarzenegger,
that you sit and enjoy.
But we enjoy these movies too, actually. When you see Kanayo, you know that is blood money. And you still enjoy it.
And they still change the plot. It's just like me, not be the same blood money I do. We change plots.
Exactly.
See, Nigerians are always quick to destroy our own things.
Honestly.
I don't agree.
Yes.